Let's say you either created or received this design in Hydraw CAD. By selecting Export to MD Tools, selecting the manifold, using right-click with the mouse, and selecting Export on the left side of the screen, users can save the file in an XML format, which can be opened within NetBlock 3D. Upon opening a fresh block in NetBlock 3D, users can select the Schematic tab, then the three dots, to browse for the exported XML. Some of the bolt holes used as mounting holes were not recognized, so I will assign similar bolt holes here. Now we can see a list of cavities, footprints, and ports brought over from Hydraw CAD. Selecting a cavity allows users to drag and drop it onto the face of the manifold block. Notice the ports correspond with pre-colored networks. We can go to the Net tab and select a net to see all of the components within. Within Net 11, users can see port 10 was just inserted, and two other components must be inserted and connected to complete the net. Let's insert component 12. Notice a preferred face has been assigned to the footprint. If need be, we can select a non-preferred face, but let's stick to what the Hydraw design suggests and place on the top face. Notice when a new component is on the block, a green checkmark appears next to it in the Cavities menu. If that component is deleted from the block, the checkmark will also disappear. Now let's say we wanted to connect the yellow part of the footprint to the yellow port on cavity 15. In this instance, we can use Connect Cavity as the components are on perpendicular faces. But what if the components are on the same face, like the green net? In this case, users can insert a construction element, like an expander plug. Once inserted, users can use the Connect Cavity command to connect the net and move the plug to modify connections if need be. As more components are inserted, the user will need to stretch the block. This can be done using the Stretch Block command, and will also stretch the drills of associated components on the face to maintain connections. Near the end of the design process, users can add the mounting holes at the bottom of the Schematic tab. These are the bolt holes we assigned earlier. Users can modify their position from the on-screen toggles or the Cavity Properties tab, as seen in other videos.